Just 10 kilometers east of downtown Vancouver, Canada, is the British Columbia Institute of Technology, or BCIT. And here, students are getting hands-on training in the Nuclear Medicine Technology program.
Here at BCIT, our students learn skills in a few different areas: physics, radiation safety, as well as anatomy and physiology. They then move on to more specialized learning for nuclear medicine, where they learn to make our radiopharmaceutical kits, inject patients, as well as scan. And then they end up finishing off by learning some soft skills, such as communication, as well as human behavior.
Students are completely prepared to start working right away after they graduate from our program. They have all of the theory behind what they're doing, as well as the hands-on skills to perform it in the hospital.
Straight back. Perfect.
It's those hands-on skills that have helped grads like Cameron Lougheed feel confident and job-ready as a nuclear medicine technologist.
I feel like I was very prepared. BCIT has a lot of focus on a really hands-on, really authentic clinical learning. So I feel like I saw a lot of the clinical scenarios that I was going to run into. I saw them while I was at BCIT, which was really great. So I was ready to kind of tackle them as soon as I got to the hospital.
A big reason for that? Students here are trained on many of the same technologies that they end up using on the job, including Hermia molecular imaging software.
Using the same technology is definitely helpful. I think it helps us feel more confident and prepared for when we're actually working in the clinical environment.
Learning the Hermia software really was quite easy. I felt like it was quite user-friendly, and it was nice to have that option at an academic institute where I was able to practice as much as I needed in order to feel competent, and just have free range of that and be able to feel comfortable before I ever went out was great.
That's all on top of the extensive experience that BCIT instructors bring to the program, making the program the only one of its kind in Western Canada.
Within our team here at BCIT, we have really diverse skill sets. So we have instructors that have worked in various different settings across British Columbia and Canada that really allows our students to draw on a wide range of those skills. So they're extremely prepared when they go out into clinical.
Real-world training, industry-standard technology, and experts from diverse backgrounds. They're all reasons why BCIT is a leader in nuclear medicine education in Canada and a proud partner of Hermia Academy.